Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how to delete Windows Update files in Windows 11 or Windows 10 and get some freed up space so that your PC performance get boosted up. For doing this, first of all we will go to this PC. After you click on this PC, you have to go to the particular drive in which your Windows is installed. My Windows is installed in C drive, so I will open this C drive. I will double click on it. After this, here I will see that a Windows folder. Then I have to click on Windows. Then after clicking on Windows, below you will find a folder called software distribution. After you find this software distribution option, you have to click on this particular folder. Then here you will see different folders. You have to click on the download particular folder. After click on download folder, you will see different cache and different type of download files that has been created after file have been updated in your PC. You will be also able to see these particular files in your PC or Windows. You will have to delete this to boost up your performance. I hope this worked. Thanks for watching this video.